Welcome to CK Builder's complete guide on tile installation. Delivering services with excellence is our utmost priority. In this video, we will be showing you the steps of how to install our tiles. The first step of tile installation is site protection. Paper covers are placed on all entry and exit points. This will avoid any unnecessary damage to a certain part of the building. Existing floor of the site is then knocked off and cleared for the new tiling to be placed. Water is then poured onto the floor, as this allows the existing floor to be wet and new cement with sand diffuse easily. Furthermore, laser is used to have the right floor level, as this will avoid future bumps and dents which leads to tile cracks. Tile needs to be laid with chemical adhesive. This will allow a proper attachment for the tile and the new cement and sand mixture. Proper leveling and right amount of tile chemical adhesive is required to keep everything in place. Vibrate the tiles to help settle on the proper level needed. Make sure there is enough space between tiles and avoid the expansion and buckling. Immediately clean the cement dirt after the tile is installed. Avoid extra work to clear the cement dirt in the gap when filling up grouting. That is how we perform our tiles installation. Stay tuned for our next video, as we will show you more of how we perform quality assurance on our tiles. Till then, stay safe.